Alright, so here we have a Multiplex Coke machine from Frigidaire, product of General Motors. A lot of you guys will recognise these sitting outside dairies back in the 60s and 70s. This one was made on the 7th of October 1966, so she's an oldie. So you've got a lockable thing here, and then you can put any sort of little bottle in here. It just sits on the glass lip here, and they just feed in. Put whatever you want in there, close the lid, and then once you put your 20 cents in the coin mech, slide it along to the opening here, ka-ching. And then of course back in the day you get your 10 cents change, because it was only 10 cents a bottle. So the coin mech is in perfect working order. As you lay it out, she feeds out fine. Also has which this bit's usually missing if you're lucky enough to find one of these, it's where you take your cap off. So yeah, this is it chills from the bottom, and as they hang it chills the bottles out. So this is currently not working. It's all complete. As I said, one of the most complete ones I've seen over the years, and I've had this for 30 years. It has all the motor and everything in it, but it just needs a new motor sorted out. Cool. Good bit of Kiwiana.